That was mad.
It's alright. That one's angry.
Are you sure those aren't goslings?
Yep. These ones like it.
That one hates us. Wait, like, where have we got? Oh, yeah. Are they over there? No.
Yep.
Okay. That one doesn't like us. Stupid. That one loves us. Oh, look, there's babies. There's babies. Don't get close to them, or else it'll kill you.
Throw some out.
Good.
If you throw it underhand, it won't seem so violent. Come back.
Oh my gosh, look at that! I don't want to get
There's a lot of babies here that we might get attacked. Hey, throw it underhand.
Why?
Because they find that threatening if you're throwing it like rocks. So throw it gently like this. Yeah.
They're so scary. No, they're gonna chase me now since I have so much popcorn.
No, you just throw it underhand nicely. There you go. Cam, you want to throw some?
Come here. Does it hurt when they bite you?
No.
I don't care. I don't want to get bit. It probably does. I was gonna eat my foot. That's right. Get away. Yeah, no. Oh, one's coming.
No, they're not gonna get you. Look at those aren't angry ones.
Yeah, it is.
You see the ones with their mouths open that are hissing? Those are the ones that are angry. Yeah. Yep.
Go. I like these ones. So close to us. I'm backing up.
Them ones aren't gonna get you.
You don't know. We're gonna attack. That one will attack you. I'm right there. No, right. Look where my. That one. That one ran at the other ones
That
to
one's
get
angry?
food. Yeah. Did you see the way it ran at those other ones? Just to get its food. We don't want any ash.
You gonna feed those?
No, I don't.
You're too,
Oh, that one's the mean one.
you're too close. I can't even get you on video.
I'm scared.
Stand by next to Ashley. Cam, I can't even get you on video. Look at these two right here, Ash.
Yeah, these ones are nice.
Those are friendly.
That one.
Was he hissing at you?
No.
Throw him a handful of popcorn. No,
There you
it
go.
looks like he's happy.
You sure?
Yep.
That one doesn't like us. That one's angry. I'm scared.
They're not angry.
You know that? They're all coming at us now.
That's because they want popcorn.
Can I just like dump out the bucket? See, look, that one's mad.
No, that's probably another family that it's mad about.
I'm scared. That's so scary.
Feed him some popcorn.
I'm not feeding anymore. They're gonna kill me. I don't want to run over. Run away. Good. That one's missing. That one's missing.
Which one?
That one, right there.
You mean that one with its mouth open?
Yeah.
Seems normal.
No, they're getting mad.
Which one?
That one, right there with its mouth open.
No. I think he's
Like, I want to kill you all.
mad at the other ones.
That's right. Eat some popcorn. Eat it. Eat that one some more.
How much are you gonna give that one?
I need that one. Come here. Come here. Eat it. That one's hissing, Dad. That one's hissing at us.
It is?
Yeah, look, that one.
It's like a mile away.
I don't care. That one's hissing.
Let you feed those over there. Cam, you want to feed them?
No.
Okay. Wow.
That's enough for them.
Go hand feed them.
With my hand?
Yeah.
They might bite me.
No, they won't.
Yeah, they will.
They'll like it. They don't have any teeth.
I don't care.
Just try it.
No.
Just say, here, Goosey.
No, I don't know which one is nice.
Usually the ones with their heads up like that are really not very happy.
That's why I don't want to go up there, because then it will come at me.
You feed the other ones.
Yeah, but that one's the closest.
No. Yeah, feed them underhand. They don't like that.
Yeah, but you're going to attack us now. Ashley, we're trapped now. Good. No, we're not. Get that I did it underhand. That doesn't like us. Maybe I'm throwing it too close to them and they don't like it.
Seems fine.
Oh, that one's scary. That one's creepy. I'm getting away.
He seems like he likes it.
No, that one doesn't. I don't like that. Why? Eat some popcorn. Eat it.
He definitely doesn't like that. Oops.
Stop trying to kill them.
Okay, I did it.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Are they gonna attack us?
No, see that one right there?
That one's good. Oh my gosh. That one's getting mad.
That one's watching over these.
Oh, is that one the mom?
I don't know if it's a mom, but they always got one in the group that's protecting them.
Oh.
So yeah, Ash is gonna try to feed them babies, which is a really good idea. Let's go up there and try to feed the babies and see what happens.
I'm staying here. I want to stay here, Dad. Yeah, I'm not feeding those.
And watch out for poop. Actually, if you run at the babies, it's probably the best idea. Let me see where Cam is. What are you doing way back there?
Wait, I don't know which ones are friendly.
They're all friendly.
What about those ones? Are those ones friendly?
Which ones?
Those ones.
Yeah.
That family, this one.
Ooh, there's a baby laying down. You should run up there and try to feed it really hard. Yeah.
I'm scared. What? These ones try to run at me too.
No, they're not. They're not even interested. Throw some popcorn.
First, I'm throwing it at them. Keep them distracted. I'm scared. Ash, they all have their heads up. The food attack. Oh, that was bad.
Now chase the babies.
No, I'm not chasing them.
They look how fuzzy they are, Ashley.
I want to pet one.
Go pet one. I will stay here and make sure that it's safe.
It's not safe, Ash. Dad, do those ones all like us? Those three?
Yeah, those three are fine.
Good. That was mad.
No, it doesn't look mad. That head thing it's doing is normal.
Did it hit that? Ashley! him as close. We like it. Good. He said, oh my gosh, that one's hissing at Ashley.
That's because you're feeding them.
Look, they're going over there. Ash, that one's hissing.
If they're hissing, they want more popcorn. That's what that means.
I don't think it means that, Dad. I don't think it means that, Dad.
Try to sneak up on the babies.
Ashley, ah! You're gonna kill us. That one's mad at you, Ash. They're all mad at you. There you go. Done with popcorn eating. Let's go!
Good job.
I just threw a bucket at water.